The countdown to ISE 2026 is officially on. We are just hours away from the launch of the show. It looks like it's going to be a big year, more than 1,750 exhibitors. Could this be the biggest ISE yet? We'll have to wait and see, but in the meantime, ISE Show TV is coming to you once again with a useful ISE Show guide to see you through. For you early risers, that at 9 a.m. halls 1, 2, 3 and 8.0 will all be open, as well as the upper walkways to help reduce queues in the morning at the show. The Hola Barcelona travel card returns for ISE 2026, valid for 72 hours on the metro and the bus. For those looking for some evening entertainment, ISE 2026 will play host to its very own drone show, with 600 drones taking to the skies above Barcelona on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday at 6:30. It is not to be missed. And don't forget that ISE Show TV will be here all week, bringing you the latest coverage and exclusive product launches, interviews, as well as thought leadership from the show. So we'll see you there.